Hello, I'm Kunal, and today we are learning about how useEffect works and what is dependency array in useEffect and what if we don't pass the use dependency array in useEffect. So we are learning these all things using one simple example of counter app, and I'm going to create that counter app using set timeout. So let's start the video and get to know how these all the things are working, and let's start. So first, to create the counter app, I need to initialize some states. So let me create some states. Const count and set count is equal to use state, and we need to pass the state of that initial state of that particular thing. So for the counter, we are taking 0. After that, we need to display it on the sorry, I instead of H1 tag, I returned the high. Okay, so we need to display that counter also. That's why I'm displaying it counter count. Okay, and let's create the working of the counter using use effect. So use effect, use effect. We are going to using the set timeout. So first create one variable const timer is equal to set timeout. Sorry, set timeout. We are creating one arrow function. Set timeout. Here we are going to change the count. It means using the set count. Set count. Set count. Count plus one means we are increasing that count by one, and we are using set timeout. Okay, so we need to give the time when it after which time it will get the incremental. So I am passing the 1 second, and we have created set timeout. That's why we need to clear it also. So in the return function, we are clearing out clear timeout. Time we have passed the timeout. Okay. So in the input, now we have created use effect, and this part is about the dependency array. So what's the dependency array? Dependency array means it gets dependent, like our function that use effect function get dependent on which terms, which variables. We need to tell about it. So like if we have written the all the logic about the count. So whenever our count is incremented, we need to display, right? Sorry, what I okay count. So let me console one statement render, which will help us to get idea about when our use effect function is running or not. So let me run this app npm run dev. We are opening our project. I think I have not initialized use effect. Let me initialize it. Use effect. Okay. And yes, our counter is displaying. So our counter is increasing as per seconds. Let's see the console here. Okay, render is started. Uh, in this first render, it means our function gets mounted. Our function gets mounted means whenever our function gets rendered first time, it gets mounted. And after that, our count is updating, right? So our this count like 13, 14, 15, this is getting updated. So it's this part is the function updating. And if there was the condition of ending that function, then at the right now it's not there. But if there was any condition when the counter will end, on that time our function gets unmounted. So this on these three terms, mounting, updating, and unmounting, in this three term use effect works. Okay. And what if we don't pass count here? Then what will happen? So on that time, counter will not increment. Let's see. Here, render is happened for one time. It is displaying for two times because of strict mode. Like if we remove that strict mode from main.js, here is the strict mode. If we remove this strict mode, then we will get render just for one time. Okay, so here is our render is happening for one time. Okay. So because where is my code? Okay, okay. So we don't have passed anything in the dependency array. So our function is not dependent on count. So it will not run once again. If we write a count here, then it will dependent on the count and it will update, gets update each time. Sorry. So here from 0 to 1, our count is get render, and after that, it's not dependent, right? This use effect is not dependent on anyone. That's why it's not get re-render once again. So our count is stop at 1, and render is just display just for one time. And what if we don't pass dependency array? In that case, our counter will render for each cases. Like consider take the example we have created one website, and we are user is updating data from in the front end, so it will get updated. So whenever user changes anything, like if we don't pass the dependency array in use effect, all the complete website will reload, re-enter once again. Not once again, it will it is in the loop, so it will get updated each time. So to avoid these things, to rendering all the things, we use the dependency array. And for the dependency array, if we don't pass anything, it will just render for the first time. And if we want to pass anything, like we know we are updating this particular thing each time, so we need to re-render that. But we need to keep all the other components of the app keep consistent. So we are passing just that function only, like count. So because of I am passing just one thing in that dependency array, it will not have hamper other things. It will not make render other things. It just render the counting part. So I hope you get the idea about what is mounting, unmounting, and updating, and what is the dependency array, and what is the importance of dependency array in use effect. So we have seen all these things using the one simple counter app. I hope you got all the concepts. Thank you so much for this time. Thank you so much. Bye bye.